Good day, everyone. I am Liancy Marie Contanto, and today I will be presenting the culture map of Shangri-La Hotel. So, what is organizational culture? Organizational culture is like the personality of a company. It guides how employees behave and how they treat their guests. The goal of this presentation is to show how culture affects service quality and how staff adapt in a multicultural environment. At the center of everything are the core values. Shangri-La believes in hospitality from the heart, pursuing excellence, acting with integrity, showing respect, and working together as one team. Because of these values, employees are expected to act warmly and professionally. They must be polite, well groomed, and always ready to assist guests with a sincere smile. Since we have guests and staff from all over the world, the company practices inclusivity. They provide training to understand different cultures and ensure everyone feels welcome and respected. To maintain high quality, the company follows strict standard operating procedures or SOPs. They have specific rules on uniforms, how to greet guests, and how to deliver service consistently. Because of this culture, the resort's results are amazing. We get high customer satisfaction, excellent reviews, and guests keep coming back because they trust the brand. New employees adapt by undergoing training and learning from experienced colleges. They study the standards and adjust their way of communicating to fit the organization's culture. Here is an example. Imagine a guest who cannot eat certain food because of their culture, because our staff are trained to be respectful and attentive, they listen carefully, coordinate with the kitchen, and make sure the guest gets the right meal. This makes the guest very happy and appreciated. To summarize, culture is very important. It defines who we are and how we serve. Having strong values and good adoption makes a business successful. That ends my presentation. Thank you for listening.